Croatia Insurance is known for its dedication to sustainable business practices. To remind us that each, even our most minor activity, impacts the environment and its carbon footprint, they created an entirely digital sustainability report, the first that measures and neutralizes the carbon footprint generated by its reading. The footer measures the CO2 levels produced by reading. Through 100 pages of text and simple, thematically related illustrations, this report gradually darkens, symbolizing saturation with carbon dioxide. But that's not all. Croatia Insurance undertook a tree planting program to completely neutralize the carbon footprint created by reading this report, and has already planted 2,000 trees on 2,000 square meters of forests.